beg. Mama, just wake up this morning, carry Bible, give me. Will they go church? Today na Saturday. I put they go Sabbath.
Shebi you said I should not follow men. Eh? I decide to preach. Let us go and preach.
Mama, they stop speaking English like this.
They don't burn you when I go to school. They don't burn you. Let us go and pray.
Mama, so you get sense like.
Let's go. That God hates most, even is written in this Bible, is lying. Lying is not good. Will you keep quiet? You come marry my son. Is there anything you want to contribute?
Mama, even though you don't tell me or contribute. Auntie, no verse. What will be your name?
I know. Mr. Peace.
Sister, please. Auntie, this issue will be something to talk about.
Continue.
See, this my mother. She's a bit lie. This my mother, they lie.
Jesus!
They lie, they think they verse me. Ma, what happened now?
Nothing. The peace of the Lord is with you.
Amen. She they lie. This woman, they lie. I told her, you don't invest me already. This one, they lie. Like, the lie, they provoke me. She did here, they preach for you, but she reach out. Men when they come visit herself, she come wear eyeglass, waka for street like blind Patimus. She don't even wear eyeglass come preaching today. The eye for blind. Now what happen? You touch me again, I respect you and go that side. See, Sister Peace, make I tell you. See this my mother. Give your life to Christ. Don't give your life to this my mother. If you give her your life, go day useless.
Jesus!
I don't tell you finish. Like,
I don't suffer. I don't suffer!
you never even suffer. My mother had her own life. Go enter gutter.
So wait, una two waka carry this una two left leg come my house. Even sinners go preach give me. If una no want make a change and give una two, more una just carry una two leg come on here. Because if I come back here, I go pour una two hot water. More na no even make me vex.
Okay. Yeah. You come here. You see what you don't cost now.
No, this one a party now.
Shut up!
Party now in life.
Shut up! Person why I don't manage confuse now. You don't make and go say I dey lie. What thing are you do speaking? Okay, come here.
Oh, what's happening now? Money me now, see. Money me. Money me.
I move this one.
Sister, please go and see us. Party the place for you now.
Will you keep quiet?
Mama, you come to